How to make filters in Google Sheets. First of all, open the Google Sheets by searching for docs.google.com/spreadsheets. Open the spreadsheet of your choice. In order to apply the filter, first of all, click on the cell where you want to apply the filter. After you do that, click on the option Data. Click on the option Create a filter that you can see on the screen. Now the filter will be created. You'll be able to see this kind of icon over here. Click on it. In order to apply the filter, you'll be able to find the options like filter by color, filter by condition, filter by values. You can simply click on the filter that you would like to apply. For example, if you would like to filter by condition, simply click on it. Once you do that, click on this field. You'll be able to find the options like empty, not empty, text contains, text does not contain, etc. You can click on the condition that you would like to apply. Likewise, you can also filter by values. You can simply select the values that you would like to be filtered. Simply uncheck the value that you would not like to be displayed. After you do that, click on the option OK. Now you can see over here the filter will be applied. Like this, you'll be able to make filters in Google Sheets. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.